Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Cardano Ada. What's the current price of the Cardano? What's the prices of the Cardano? And in this video I'm talking about the very important update, very important news for all Cardano holders. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video, subscribe channel for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Cardano Ada. 2.3 USD dollar is the current price of the Cardano Ada. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the Cardano Ada, so absolutely the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Cardano Ada is going positive friends. So absolutely that's a good news for all Cardano holders that the price change goes once again in the Cardano Ada is going upward friends. Absolutely, first of all, congratulations to all holders friends. Anyways friends, let's start the video friends and let's check it out the price chart of the Cardano Ada of the 1 month friends. Absolutely, now from the previous from the yesterday, the Cardano is taken a very high jump, and now in the market they are top cryptocurrencies, as you can see here now with this time frames. And if you look the changes occur in Cardano at so 62.23% positive change occur in only the last 1 month. And as you can see here now, the highest price is 2.31 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano Ada. So absolutely now this time the Cardano is going very best, my friends. A lot of people also ask me this question that what should we do at this time, as at the best time to sell or not. So for those people, my advice is that I think that's not the best time to sell. It's time to hold Cardano Ada. I think that's a good decision for all of you friends. Anyways friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. I only recommend for all of you, my recommendation for all of you is that don't sell it. It's time to hold, because now at this time that is just the beginning. In the future the Cardano Ada is taking a high jump, so wait for it, and I hope that will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. Anyways friends, please also share your prediction and opinion about Cardano Ada in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.